Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever wanted to play Clash of Clans on a larger screen with better control? BlueStacks is your perfect solution for desktop gaming. It transforms your PC into a powerful Android device, letting you enjoy your favorite mobile games with enhanced precision and comfort. Plus, it's great for multitasking, so your village is always just a click away. First things first, head over to the official BlueStacks website. You'll want to grab the latest version, which is BlueStacks 5, for the best and smoothest experience. Once downloaded, just run the installer and follow the super easy steps presented on your screen. It's a straightforward process that only takes a few moments to complete. With BlueStacks up and running, it's time to get Clash of Clans. Open BlueStacks, then look for the Google Play Store icon, just like on your phone. Once inside, simply type Clash of Clans into the search bar. Hit install, and in a few moments, your favorite strategy game will be ready to launch right on your desktop. Now, for the crucial part, linking your existing village. When you first open Clash of Clans, it will likely ask you to log in with your Google Play account. For existing players, connecting your Supercell ID is key to restoring all your progress. New players can simply start fresh and create a brand new Supercell ID right there. To get the most out of your game, pop into BlueStacks settings and fine-tune your performance and graphics. Also, remember to keep both BlueStacks and Clash of Clans updated to enjoy all the latest features and bug fixes. With these simple steps, you're all set to dominate the battlefield and enjoy Clash of Clans like never before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.